Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JOOLA Pro IV. I collected 10-20 power pickleball paddles to test and review the best power pickleball paddles, and the new JOOLA Pro IV pickleball paddle was the clear winner by far. When I handed this paddle to my buddy, I'd never seen him hit with so much force. He crushed the ball like never before. Not long after, he ended up buying his own, right after a solid stretch using my backup JOOLA CFS 16mm second general. I could honestly go on and on about how much power this paddle brings. The first thing that really stood out was the serve. I was able to hit deep into the corner with pace, and I lost count of how many returns slammed into the net or floated short. Perfect setups for a clean finish. You'll also love how much pop you get on your returns. It feels like I'm playing a different version of the game with this paddle. I'm planning to post a video soon that shows just how hard you can drive the ball back with it. Number 2. Mach 2 Forza Paddle. As soon as I opened the box and saw, "Time to unleash your spin potential," I knew spin was going to be a big part of this paddle's identity. The wide body provides an amazing spin. Thankfully, it lived up to the hype. One of my go-to serves is a spinning right-to-left forehand, and this paddle helped me execute it perfectly. I used that serve nearly every point in those matches, and it gave my opponents real trouble. The grip and spin potential here are seriously next level. This paddle gave me total confidence in shot placement. I felt locked in, like I knew exactly where the ball was going every time. Not only did I place shots well, but I made fewer unforced errors too. Since I mostly play singles, control is everything, and the Volare Mach 2 Forza absolutely delivered in that department. What surprised me most was how well this paddle handled power. It's truly a balanced, all-around performer. The Volare Mach 2 Forza has just enough pop to finish points, without ever feeling out of control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of paddles: spin, control, power. The paddle brings everything together in one sleek package. Number 3. Selkirk Vanguard Control Invikta. Selkirk is a wildly popular paddle maker, but I was not a huge fan of the higher-end paddles in the lineup after testing dozens of models over a few seasons. The Selkirk Vanguard Control Invikta sold me on the brand. It's still the best all-around paddle for most people and the one I'd recommend to anyone who doesn't demand the ability to hit huge overhead smashes. The Invikta is not thermoformed and doesn't have quite the same power as paddles that are. Thermoformed paddles are molded with heat and injected with foam, while traditional paddles are made by stacking up layers like a sandwich. What the Invikta offers, however, is exceptional control and consistency. This paddle is shockingly well balanced and feels great in the hand, thanks to Selkirk's upgraded octagonal grip. Every time you swing the Invikta, the hit feels like you expect it to feel, and the ball goes exactly where you expect it to go. Number 4. Diadem Warrior BluCore. I was not sure what to expect from Diadem's new BluCore paddle, which is among a handful of new paddles that have replaced the standard honeycomb polymer core with closed-cell foam. They sent me a sample of the stuff, and it looks like you could make a gas station cooler out of it. That foam is substantially more durable. It has a lifetime warranty, in fact, over the long haul, and is also not at risk of delaminating in extreme temperatures if, for example, you leave the paddle in the car on a scorching summer day while you grab patio marks. Given how far this paddle is outside the norm, and the fact that it's priced at the upper end of the range, I wanted to put real time in before recommending it. What I found was that the BluCore took some time to get used to, but it's now the paddle I play with the most. The foam core makes for a softer and more forgiving feel. It's like the suspension on an old Cadillac coupe. While I don't feel like I'm getting the most out of my serve, I especially love this paddle in defensive situations against better players. It plays consistently from edge to edge and has a nice, big sweet spot. Number 5. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta. Boasting hundreds of 5-star reviews, the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta is the best overall pickleball paddle you can buy. Crafted with a proprietary carbon fiber composition for supreme performance, this paddle has a great weight distribution and ensures powerful strokes. The non-slip handle offers the perfect size for one- or two-handed shots, while the Pro Spin Plus next-gen texture technology provides precise hits through a long-lasting spin surface. If you spot any defects regarding workmanship and manufacturing while using the LUXX Control Air Invikta, the brand offers a lifetime warranty after registering it on the official website. Our testers' overall thoughts. This has been, and will continue to be, my go-to. It's quite premium, but it has a great blend of control and power,